Have you ever been to another country and realized, I don't know a lick about this place, and I should? Hi, I'm Andres, and we're here to help with Wanderbooks.
Hi, my name is Mark Pietan. For Full Stack Academy's final project, we built a fully functional e-commerce site. The products we're selling are travel books. I worked in the small group with Andreas and Ian. How we handled the 4 weeks of working on our e-commerce site, our final project, is each week we rotated our responsibilities and shifted gears. So for the first week, I specifically worked on building the database. I built 4 tables. There were constraints for the tables for building the schema. I had to figure out which columns needed to be what data type. Also, we used real P-SQL files from dummy data in order to make fake data and test the database. On week 2, switched gears and started building the routes. Made all the routes for the carts and used CRUD for those routes. And then for week 3 and 4, we really focused on the front end and styling. And what we really focused on using is the library Material UI. So Material UI library was great. We all got a lot of experience using that. Here, this is the main page, the welcoming page for our site. We go to Home. You can scroll down, see the products that we're selling, the different travel books for each country. So there's a couple of things here on the home page that I'm really proud about for styling in Material UI, specifically the header right here. I like all the logos in the header for each page and the badge. So the main, home, cart, sign up, login. I like that specifically for carts. So here we can add items from our homepage, our products. It will tell you here in cart and the icon, the badge here, the number of items that you have added to cart. That updates in real time. You go to cart now and click on that. And you will see each item showcased here. You can remove one. Again, it updates up here. You can add, remove, or even add one again. So we're proud of that. That functionality I thought was really cool. Another thing that I really like about the homepage for Material UI is the grid layout we did. Specifically, let me open this. I implemented grid and gave it props on the homepage to make it be able to collapse smaller or larger depending on the layout. So you can see how this works depending on the device screen size or layout. This was really cool with grid using that. And you can also here, we'll switch to mobile. That's iPad Pro. We can go down to, say, Galaxy 5 is a smaller screen. So it's all fully functional, which was really cool. Proud of that as well. And it was a great experience. Loved working with Andreas and Ian, and am proud of my time at Full Stacks Academy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ian, and this is our project sign-up page. Now, for a user to sign up, they have to enter an email, and then they input a password. Now, for the password to be verified, it has to at least be 8 characters long. So when I hit register, it'll say sign up failed. However, if we were to do this again, and make the password at least 8 characters, and hit register, you'll be successfully signed up. How this works is that once the user clicks register, it will take the email, the password, and the password confirmation and use the user's router to post it into the database. The database will then store the email and the password so that once the user, if they decide to log out, can log back in using the exact same credentials.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Ian. Now that we know how responsive the site is and that a user can sign up, let's go ahead and try to check out one of these books. So here, if you wanted to see more, we were able to add a modal here to the front end using React. So that way you can go ahead and read more about England or Dominican Republic if you wanted to know that everything that they have in there. And let's go ahead and try to check out some places. Right? Hold up. What? Yeah. Now let's look at that. Okay. So I want to that, and then now I can, thanks to Stripe. Here, I went ahead and implemented the Stripe checkout. This does work, but I don't need to purchase this many books. And as you saw with what Mark was able to do, we were able to go ahead and just clear the cart like that. And go back to home. And that's it. Thank you for watching our presentation. I also thoroughly enjoyed working with Mark and Ian on this project, and for everything that we also learned at Full Stack. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you.